Hello everyone. Today's topic is HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. It is used to create web pages in a easiest way and simple to learn. So if you want to create web pages, just follow these simple steps and you will able to create the web pages. At first open a notepad in your computer or laptop. After opening notepad, just write the code as shown, HTML, then head, then we have to include title. It is paid tag. So in title, whatever we need in the web page title, we have to write in it. So I'm writing web page as title. After that, close head and close HTML. Here we have to include any file name. At last we have to include .html compulsory. If you will not include .html, then the web page will be not opened. Then we have to create body of your web page. We are keeping head 1. Head 1 is nothing but heading tag. It is a paid tag. We are writing hi everyone. Now we have to save, and if that hi everyone must be in center, just include center tag. And if you want the letters in big, just use big. Big is a single tag. Only single tag will be used. Then save. After saving, open the file. Now you can see web page as title and hi everyone in center. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.